Welcome to our kitchen. Today we prepare ancient Roman razor clams from the 9th book of the Re Cucinaria. We start with ingredients. We need razor clams, wine, resin wine, muria, cumin, scallions and savory. We grind the cumin, then we add the savory, minced scallion, muria, wine, resin wine, and a little water. The original recipe is for mituli, which are mussels. In the Naturalis Historia, Pliny describes several types of shellfish commonly used by the ancient Romans, without naming them, with different sizes, characteristics of the shells and shapes, describing that they can be flat, round, concave, elongated, and in other forms. Instead of razor clams or mussels, you can use other types of Mediterranean shellfish according to your taste. In our preparation, we chose a plebeian version, replacing garum with muria and leeks with scallions. Differently from garum, which requires macerating not only fish, but also fish guts covered with salt for at least a month, muria is the liquid obtained from the salting of fish. It can be considered the ancestor of colatura di alici, and was commonly used as a plebeian condiment. Instead of muria or garum, you can also use a Southeast Asian fish sauce or just salt. To learn how to make muria and garum from scratch, check out the links in the description below. We recommend a balanced use of the ingredients. For half a kilo of razor clams, you'll need half a minced scallion, 1 tablespoon of muria, and 2 or 3 tablespoons each of wine and resin wine. You can substitute resin wine with concentrated grape juice, mead, or a little honey. We bring the sauce to a boil and add the razor clams. We cooked them for about 15 minutes, but the cooking time may change. We recommend soaking them in water for a while before cooking them, changing the water from time to time to remove any sand. The cooking method described in the Re Cucinaria only requires boiling the shellfish in the mixture without any cooking fat, as typical of ancient Roman cuisine, with the herbs added directly to the sauce and cooked with the other ingredients. If you're interested in ancient food, read our book, Ancient Roman Cooking, where you can find information on ancient agriculture, preserves, ingredients and banquets, in addition to several recipes. The translations of the Re Cucinaria and Cato's recipes from De Agricultura are available on our Patreon page, along with articles on ancient and medieval food and other translations of historical sources. You can find a list of our books on historical food in the description below, as well as links to buy us a beer and purchase our merchandise. These razor clams were perfect and delicious, rich with Mediterranean flavors thanks to the presence of cumin and savory. The sapidity of muria was balanced by the sweetness of resin wine and the mild acidity of wine. A delicious dish not only for an ancient Roman meal, but also for a special Italian dinner, with other fish dishes belonging to our extraordinary culinary tradition. If you're interested in ancient foods and flavors, subscribe our channel and consider supporting us on Patreon.